Today, I'm starting with only $2 on pocket option. Yes, just $2. But my goal is crazy. I'm going to try turning this tiny balance into $1,600 using a fast trading strategy. No demo count, no fake results, only real trades in real time. The big question is, can this strategy really turn $2 into $1,600? Let's start the first trade right now. In this session, I'm using a technical analysis tool called Turbo Trend FX. This is a trading bot designed specifically for binary options trading, and it works with many brokers, including Pocket Option. The bot analyzes market trends, momentum, and possible entry points to help identify potential buy or sell opportunities. So instead of guessing the market direction, I simply follow the signals generated by the system. And today, we're going to see if this tool can really help turn a $2 balance into something much bigger. If you're interested in downloading Turbo Trend FX and getting full access to the bot, you can check the video description for more information. All right, and that trade closed in profit. Perfect entry from the signal. The strategy seems to be working so far. Let's move on to the next trade. And there it is, another winning trade. The signal from Turbo Trend FX was very accurate. Let's keep going and see how far we can grow this balance. Nice! That trade finished in the money. The analysis from the bot was right again. Let's immediately look for the next opportunity. And that's a win. The balance is slowly growing. Exactly what we want. Now let's prepare for the next trade. And that's the end of today's trading session. Starting with only $2, we managed to grow the balance all the way to $1,600 using the Turbo Trend FX analysis. As you can see, having the right strategy and the right tools can make a big difference in binary options trading. If you want to download Turbo Trend FX and get full access to the bot, make sure to check the video description for more details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next trading session.